prime, it should make logic. We cannot talk of you start with general some area, then go to some other area, then coming to some other area. They should be all linked together in a meaningful way. This opening should lead to the middle should lead to the closing. So there is a systematic, logically organized data. So first things first, there is an introduction, then there is a subject which is mentioned. It should be a logical meaning. They should make some sense. If we're talking about a product, introduction of the product, features of the product, pricing, availability, like they should have a coherence, as they say, and clear transition between areas. We have an activity on that also later. Consistency. What is consistency? Kind of fonts, style, isn't it? And the language and the formatting, whatever left side, right side, everything. So whatever I'm using, you can't use all the fonts in a single letter, isn't it? Or in a draft. You start with Arial, then first line is Arial, second is New Roman, then you got something else and all that, looking multicolored, X color, Y color, and suddenly you find some beautiful diagrams being made inside, and you decided to be very creative with your. So every word is a different color. No, which was a creative, that's another area. But imagine sending a proposal, official proposal with full of, like birthday greetings card, probably. A lot of colors and multiple. But there the relevance is there, but you can't do it here, isn't it? So consistency, whatever your the text, font, or size, or whatever it is, the tone also should be consistent and formatting. We call it consistency. That we are using the same pattern style. And finally, courtesy. You have to end. You have to open and end with a respectful manner. Yes, sir, madam. Thanking you, regards, best regards. So this is very common. So are you clear on that? So every document from now on, even a proposal should have all this. Mails should have this. Emails should have this. Any message should follow the 7 Cs. So after doing that, I cross check. Is it clear? Is it correct? Is there coherency? Is it correct? Am I giving enough courtesy? Is there enough clarity? Isn't it? And you shouldn't be free of any spelling errors, grammatical errors. I remember some years back, United Nations, they brought out, I don't know which organization, but they brought out a huge document, almost 1 lakh pages. This was on climate change. Okay, I don't remember which organization exactly, UNO or some other. So, bulk document was, they created, hard work went in, everybody worked. And there was one simple statement somewhere hidden, and there was a reference by certain professor. The document mentioned so and so professor says that by year 2050, all glaciers will be gone. Okay, somewhere it was written out of this 1 lakh pages, somewhere 1 lakh. Now people saw that, the journalists and all that, reporters, they were very curious. They went and asked the professor whose name was mentioned. Sir, we have mentioned, is it true? That is a no, no, no. I have not given any such. Now imagine what is the value of that document. It's an error, even one error, people have started doubting on the other information also, isn't it? Similarly, we have made a very beautiful profit and loss, and there's one single error somewhere. Will you get the actual figure? Never know. So remember, even a small mistakes like this, when the data is not correct or information is not correct, you will not respect the other data also, even if it is true, isn't it? You will not give any respect to that document. So I am to ensure even every data which I am mentioning there, whatever input I am putting there on record has to be justified. It should be on facts. It should be the valid facts, isn't it? It should be based on true facts. As we keep telling, even a small error here and there, the other person says, no, this is wrong. Suppose you are sending a beautifully, proposal, I think the pricing itself is wrong. Instead of 1 lakh, you put it as 10,000. That they will be happy to take it, but can the company give no? They say, no, no, we made a error, then it looks so stupid, then the other person, the client will never believe this person again, isn't it? So even a small error can create huge problems, isn't it? So and we are putting it on record. So that's why I keep telling. Morally also we can escape. No sir, I said something here, but written means written. It's a documentation. It's on record, isn't it? So remember, seven C's we are now very clear. What are the seven C's? We'll go back. First one is clarity, conciseness, correctness, completeness, all information, coherence. Data is organized logically, systematically.